these games hooked to some kind of Wi-Fi module to save the high scores. Take that out. The whole game doesn't work without it all. That's just an actually nice game. See, because this is almost looking at the best example. This is right here. It's just not firing all traction. Yeah, you look. Yeah, slowly retracting up until it finally goes. Well, it's still firing. I think it's just sticking. Maybe just close the clutcher for a $10.
Hey,
How you doing?
how's it going?
It does look re-stenciled, huh? That was nice.
Yeah, pretty good. I'm just pretty good.
Downstairs, did you guys see it?
No. Is it just an upright?
Yeah, you already know.
Whatever. Man, if I had more room.
The space is the killer.
What's this one? Rally.
Well, it's still under, still way under, but all ours can do is that's all I'm trying to say.
Is the SimStar not working?
No, those two we can't get working.
He's just trying to.
Hey, what's up, man?
Are you recording?
Yeah, I was gonna record this so some of the other guys could see it. Now we're in the basement. Okay. I think Matt needs another Neo Geo.
Dude, he's drooling over the games inside of it.
Oh. Yeah, they got a lot of cool games. It makes me wonder where they sourced everything.
Probably his personal collection, which makes this even worse. The Star Wars has errors, by the way.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, I think the Pokey is going bad because it's missing sound channels.
Oh, I think I've got a couple of those in my house.
Really?
Pokey chips?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just extra Pokies?
Well, I bought 2 for I make Paperboy, and it ended up not being the Pokey chips. So
Oh. I think this is kind of where he put the stuff that wasn't working very well.
oh, down in the basement. Oh, you think this is that firefighter that was on, or fire rescue that was on KSL forever?
Mac, you need to buy one of these.
What is it? Oh, yeah. Well, I only got one pinball machine.
Can't you use it for arcades or no?
Yeah, I'm not. I don't think you'd have to lay them down on it.
I don't think this was for sale. That would be awesome.
Oh, yeah.
I thought the same thing until I saw the sticker on the side.
Oh, how much does it
Not
say?
for
auction.
Oh, that's funny.
All of us freaking arcade
We're-
heads, like, man, that's the thing I
I
need
want
most
that.
here.
We're all drooling over the.
I've always used
The
a manual,
dog.
and the last guy I got a pinball machine from had one all the way up and out of his basement, down
Oh,
the
man.
steps, and to my truck. Oh man.
Was it Kelly? That. Oh, there's that. That's cool.
Man, there's so many cool things here.
I know.
Just drooling.
Did you plug this one in yet?
Me? Plug that in? Oh, no. I thought you meant the Neo Geo. Like,
No.
what are you smoking?
No. I know. You don't like the Neo Geos.
I can plug it in for you if you want.
Oh, I don't know if I'll bid on it. I just was wondering if it would work. You know if the tapper works?
Hmm?
Do you know if the tapper works?
No. But, you know, there's an easy way to find out. If I didn't have a real tapper, I'd be all over this.
Wait, is that even tapper? That's not tapper. Or is it? Maybe it is. Maybe it's going through some kind of...
I don't know. That was really weird.
Yo,
Oh,
jump.
cute.
I got you one of you guys. Get the beer. You want to get the net? Pick up the net. Get the net, hurry. Now pass it to the guy.
Is that here somewhere?
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't seen
Get the beer.
It's got to be here somewhere, but I haven't seen it. The mannequin bowler. Have you seen that here?
Is it,
Got the little guy that.
oh yeah, it's in the basement.
Within the basement. Okay.
Which
Yeah.
one? We have been.
The bowling.
Oh, right. I'll go look downstairs.
The only thing with the bowling games, it's like, you got arcades, what, you gotta move 5 or 6 out of the way. If you
Right.
get pinballs, you gotta move 5 or 6 out of the way.
Is that Mike?
Oh, this is
All this stuff.
Kyle, by the way.
Oh, Kyle, which Kenya?
Kenya, nice to meet you.
Mount Angel. Mount Angel. I'm just in Springville.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm up in Salt Lake.
Up in Saratoga Springs. So I'm like, we used to do arcades. That wasn't the best word to get over.
Oh, well, I just mean like
Oh,
pinballs is like they're so like I mean it'd be cool, but
This is the
Yeah.
9-foot foosball. So nice. This is in good condition, like cabinet wise.
Yeah. Yeah, a little.
Oh yeah, little moans right there.
This is also pretty beautiful.
Yeah,
That must be fresh and new.
yeah, that looks really. A lot of them seem like they've been restored to a degree.
This is already up to $9.75 though.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is, still a decent price for a
Right,
Tron.
right. But sometimes when they jump up, it's like, eh. Pass. This is really pretty. Does it work? Oh. Oh, dude.
Never actually played the game. Is it any good?
Oh, yeah, it's fun. It originally was supposed to be part of the Tron. Yeah, it was originally supposed to be part of Tron, but I guess they kind of
Ran out
pushed,
of time.
pushed out what they had.
Where are you at here?
And then they end up releasing this as a separate. Gunfight. It's cool.
Yeah, no, he has a custom shop company that he owns a few tattoo parlors, but like I've heard the name, but I've not
Old game.
yeah, so it's like that's the way to do it, right? Exactly. Oh, sure. Oh, man, yeah, it's wow, that's awesome. I'll take two. I'll be back. Yeah. Want a gift card? And it's gonna be a
Yeah.
collector's item. Bring your wife to dinner. Cut yourself?
Yeah, I cut myself on this stupid thing trying to.
Which one?
There's some cool.
Under here, I was trying to find the start button. I must have caught it.
I remember when I was
Cut
a
yourself?
kid going out to.
Just a little
Oh,
straight.
that
like,
sucks.
I just
out in-
bleed like an old man.
I remember
Hey,
when I was a kid
me
one
too.
time going
Oh,
out
this
to
just makes me claustrophobic,
San,
to be honest.
San
Oh, really?
Francisco, and they had a little penny arcade out there.
Yeah. I wish I would have just kept my Discotron, but I don't
You
want to
had
down
you
that.
had one?
Oh, yeah.
You probably sold it when it was.
I'll let Chris tell me arcade.
Who did?
Chris. You remember Chris, don't you? Went to Nickelmania for a while in Brundy.
Oh, yeah.
And he had an
I've
Atomic
heard-
Arcade on Highland Drive in Salt Lake.
I've been there. I've never
Yeah,
actually
I
been
remember.
there.
It was sad when he.
Yeah, he's kind of.
Wait a
Does he
second.
still have it?
I told you this story, right?
Oh, there's another story about all the shit in his yard. Don't tell these guys. That's what I'm following.
Oh,
What if you got that? Oh, he's destroying shit.
This game's sitting on the table.